Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab and just open the Cloud Console Incognito window. And if you want to enable this, how to enable the check my progress bar, just check the video description. Now right click over here and open the Cloud Console Incognito window. Now here, just click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. And if you have got any pop-up before, here you have to click on I understand and then agree and continue. And when you activate the Cloud Shell, you'll get another pop-up things. So just click on continue and just authorize yourself. Now let me increase the text size. And in the description box, I've shared this repository, GitHub Dash. You have to click on it and just come over here and simply paste and hit enter. Now here it's asking for the region. For the region, use Control F, type region over here. You can clearly see here US West 1 is our region. It might be different for you. You have to carefully update the region over here, hit enter. Now most of you may make mistakes, so I'll suggest better copy it in a notepad and just make sure there is no any extra space over here. Now once it is created, it will take some time, and once it's done, we'll simply check the score. So finally here you can see all the things are done. Now let me just check the score. And finally we have got full score without any issue. If you still face issue, just navigate to that task and check the score. That's all about this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.